welcome to my channel, and here I solve technical drawing problems and I provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you are watching my video for the first time, thank you. Subscribe to this channel as a technical drawing student and share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And it's very important that you put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Now, what I want to do right now is to solve this problem, which has to do with the application of the principles of tangency. As we have it that we have to construct full size, the template shown below showing clearly the center of axis and the point of tangency. So what we need to do here is to construct this circle and this circle, and we apply the principles of tangency to construct this arc and also this arc, that we connect these two arcs together. And now the radius of this circle is 44 millimeters. The radius of this circle is 32 millimeters, and distance between the center of this circle and the center of this circle is 100 millimeters. The radius of this arc here is 120. The radius of this arc is 50 millimeters. Now, as I said, we need to draw this circle and we need to draw this circle. But before that, what we need to do first is to draw this horizontal center line, which I've already done here. Then we fix this vertical center line. Then we take a measurement of 100 millimeters from this center line to this center line here. Then we can draw this circle of radius 44 millimeters. Then we draw this circle of radius 32 millimeters. Having done that, the next thing that we are going to do is to construct this arc and to construct this arc. Now, to construct this arc here, radius of this arc is 120. So what we need to do is to subtract the radius of this circle from this 120. So if I subtract 44 from 120, that will give me 76 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 76 millimeters on my ruler with my compass, as I'm going to do here. So we take 76 millimeters on the ruler. Okay, so this is 76 millimeters. Okay, so I put the pinpoint at the center of this circle here, and I will draw an arc here. Okay, now having drawn this arc, the next thing is I will also subtract the radius of this circle from this 120. That is the 120 minus 32, and that will give us 88 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 88 millimeters on the ruler with the compass. Okay, so this is 88 millimeters. I will put the midpoint of the compass here at the center of this circle, and I will make an arc here like this. Okay, so having drawn this arc, don't forget that we asked to show clearly the center of arc. So the center of this arc, I will call it center P. I will call it center P. So without getting the center of this arc, you cannot construct this arc that you want to construct now. So the radius of this arc is 120 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 120 millimeters on the ruler. 120 millimeters. Okay, so this is 120 millimeters. So I put at the center of the arcs here. Put it at the point sent by the point of intersection of the arcs. Then it will touch this point on the circle. Okay, then I can now move this arc, this compass now. So it goes like this, and it touch this circle. So okay, so we need to take it easy so that I want it to be clearly seen. All right, so we have constructed that arc. So I believe you understood how I got the center of this arcs, where we put the pinpoint of our compass with radius 120 to draw this arc that connect these two circles together. So what these two circles are doing, or their relationship with this arc, is that these two circles are sitting inside the arc. They are sitting inside the arc. So then let's go to the second one. So where we have the radius of this arc to be 50 millimeters, and what we are going to do in this case now, because these two circles, they are sitting on the external part of this arc. So in that case, we are going to add the radius of this circle with this 50 millimeters, which is the radius of this arc, and we also add this 32 millimeters with this 50 millimeters, which is the radius of this arc. So 44 plus 50 will give us 94 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 94 millimeters. 94 millimeters. Okay. So this is 94 millimeters. So we put at the center here, and we make an arc like this. Okay. Then if we add the radius of this circle with this 50, so that will give us 82 millimeters. So you take a measurement of 82 millimeters. So this is 82 millimeters. So we put the midpoint of the compass at the center of this circle, and we draw an arc. So the center of this arc now, I will call it center Q. So that's center Q. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take the radius of this arc. Radius of this arc, which is 50 millimeters. So I will take 50 millimeters on my ruler with the compass. So this is 50 millimeters. I will put at this point the center of arc Q, and so bringing it here. All right, so putting at the center of arcs here. So center of arc Q, I touch this point on the circle, then I will just draw an arc like this. So I want it to be more visible. Okay, so that is it. But another thing that we're asked to show here is the point of tangency. So for this arc here, it touches this circle at this point. So I put capital letter T here to indicate or to show the point of tangency. So this is also the point of tangency here. I'm coming down here also. So this is the point of tangency. So capital letter T, that's what we use to indicate the point of tangency, and this point also is the point of tangency T. So we have answered this question, we have solved this problem. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to get yourself familiar with the principles of tangency, which you can see in the video on this channel. Thank you, and keep on practicing.